We are officially past the hump on day 3 and cruising right toward the finish line of this practical series. Today is the nitty-gritty session on turning long-form content into high-traction social clips without living in Premiere. If you create podcasts or long videos, this session will show you how to make all that content work much harder for you. Don't worry if you missed the earlier sessions, because replays are readily available for this 4-day mini-series. Be sure to look for the link in the description or pinned comment to grab the accompanying actionable worksheet and resource pack. We will also have giveaways and a secret word drop later for anyone looking to gain bonus entries. If you have trouble entering, try disabling your VPN, as it's been the top cause of people getting stuck. Alright, with the initial housekeeping out of the way, let's dive right into the core workflow. Yesterday we had fun exploring the world of visual AI and creative image generation. Today we focus purely on the practical steps to create consistent short-form posts from that content. I will walk you through the complete mental model and then execute a live walkthrough of my entire process. The biggest spoiler is that everything starts and ends with a solid, reliable transcript. This transcript is the anchor you use to find moments, craft clips, generate captions, and feed your AI tools. Simply put, without a usable transcript, efficient repurposing of content is essentially impossible. You don't need fancy paid software, as you can get decent automatic transcripts from platforms like YouTube. But for scalable, clean text, tools that let you edit by highlighting words are a true paradigm shift. There is a distinct difference between a merely useful tool and one that becomes the actual backbone of your workflow. I want to focus on a tool designed specifically to make that long to short content pipeline automatic and repeatable. For those juggling multiple shows, this system offers daily benefits like auto-editing, auto-scheduling, and a unified content calendar. AI tools need that raw text input to efficiently surface interesting clip ideas, perfect titles, and strong hooks. Transcripts also allow you to instantly search your entire archive to pinpoint that single golden line you need to extract. The older workflow involved massive friction from constant exporting, uploading, downloading, and stitching together multiple external tools. The modern approach centralizes as much as possible to effectively eliminate those upload-download loops. While powerful for editing, a tool like Descript often still requires extra manual steps to queue dozens of clips across platforms. If you need a tool that finds the clips and then handles the final scheduling, that is where this system truly shines. Now let me break down my practical, repeatable 6-step process and show you where this automation fits in. Step 1 is capturing clean tracks, specifically aiming for separate ISO audio tracks for every single speaker. Separate tracks are crucial for easily correcting issues like a single cough or replacing a problematic audio channel later. Step 2 involves immediately uploading your finalized file so the system can generate the necessary transcript. Using natural language processing, the system scans that transcript to intelligently find all the high signal moments. For high volume repurposing, the auto-editing feature saves immense time by finding punchy sound bites without needing deep fine-tuning first. Step 3, clip discovery, is where most creators unfortunately waste the most valuable production time. The discovery process here is algorithmic, scanning for emotional peaks and key phrases to propose an entire batch of ready clips. This is vastly superior to manual sorting in Premiere or even the semi-automatic clip finding in other editors. The output is production-ready clips, often including recommended aspect ratios and initial caption suggestions. Step 4 covers templates, and the real trick is implementing a scaled template strategy, not just relying on one design. For high volume, the combination of templates, presets, and auto-variants saves massive time by creating all aspect ratios instantly. Step 5 is audio polish, and while you can use your preferred tools, you must be mindful of the quality trade-off. This system applies smarter, adjustable fixes while preserving the original audio, allowing you to choose your desired polish level. Step 6, the auto schedule and content calendar, is where you transition from creation mode to true automation. This bridges the gap between asset creation and publishing by automatically queuing approved clips across platforms. The content calendar then provides a single-pane view of all upcoming posts, which is a huge organizational advantage. A pro tip is to keep 2 primary versions, one tightly edited for audio-first platforms and one lightly edited for video visibility. Always leverage those ISO tracks because they are lifesavers for making highly dynamic edits on specific conversations. Build 1 or 2 core layout templates and allow the AI to generate the variations to maintain consistency quickly. Be cautious not to overuse the auto silence feature, as removing every natural pause makes the speaker sound robotic. Tools like Premiere and Final Cut are powerful for bespoke work, but are overkill and slow down the throughput for daily repurposing. Descript remains brilliant and a great tool to keep on hand specifically for deep, conversational transcript-based editing. Other design tools are great for individual assets, but manually stitching them into a repeatable production line requires too much effort. This solution is designed to be the necessary glue that connects clip discovery, batch editing, and final scheduling into one seamless flow. This doesn't mean ditching Premiere entirely, but it eliminates the need to open it for the vast majority of your daily social content. Let's get practical by imagining you upload a finished 60-minute interview with those separated audio tracks. The system transcribes it and instantly surfaces 10 suggested clips categorized by short hooks, mid-form bits, and longer highlights. You review the suggestions in just 5 minutes, quickly tweak a couple of captions, set your posting cadence, and hit go. The system automatically schedules them for peak engagement times and learns week over week which content styles to prioritize next. Regarding hardware, you don't need a fancy console, but investing in small quality-of-life tools really adds up. Always prioritize investing in a decent microphone, as it drastically reduces the amount of post-production cleaning required. AI avatars can be handy in emergencies, but they frequently risk falling right into the uncanny valley. You need to actively use the content calendar and platform metrics to analyze precisely what kind of content is working best. Cluster your best performers and ask why they resonated. Was it the hook, the personality, or the surprise reveal? If you are still manually scrubbing through hour-long episodes looking for shareable moments, please know there is now a significantly better way. The efficient flow starts with the transcript, incorporates ISO tracks, lets AI handle discovery, applies smart templates, and pushes everything to the scheduler. Ultimately, consistent publishing wins the attention game, but automation is what truly wins back your valuable time. Next, we will jump straight into a live demo showing a real upload, clip suggestion, on-the-fly tweaks, and final queuing. If you have specific questions about poor audio or preserving YouTube chapters, drop them in the chat, and I will address them during the demonstration. All right, let's stop discussing strategy and jump directly into the live interface to walk through an entire upload process in real time.